Good morning everyone. I am Tanusha Ramu from SJKT Kintaveli. I would like to give a book review. My book title is The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. This book was published in the year of 2009. This book was published by Anega Publication and distributed Sendirian Berhad. The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing book was edited by Yudandi Maniam. This is one of the children's series book which I love the most. I have learned a valuable lesson from this book, which is cheating is embarrassing. From this book, I get to understand that our actions define who we are to those around us. When we cheat, we are expressing ourselves to others as lazy, incompetent, untrustworthy, selfish, and unintelligent. Things that I love the most from the book is the usage of colorful image of the storyline. It made me to understand the story even more easier and it attracted me the most. The storybook consists of 14 pages altogether. Usage of new words are also introduced in this story make me to increase my vocabulary as well. Now, I would like to share the synopsis of the story to you all too. Many years ago, there was an old wolf in the jungle. It was too weak to catch its prey because it could not run as fast as it used to be. Outside of the forest, there was a rich pasture in which a shepherd would bring on his sheep to graze the pasture. While the sheep grazed the fresh green grasses, the shepherd would sit under a shady tree and go to sleep. One day, the whole hungry big wolf saw the sheep which were grazing the pasture. It went behind the bush to kill one of the sheep and it succeeded the attempt as well. After enjoying the meal, the wolf was thinking of the easiest way on getting each sheep as its meal. Soon after killing a sheep, they wore the skin of the sheep and pretended to be a sheep and become one of them. This idea was made to kill all of the sheep day by day without the knowledge of the shepherd as well. As he keeps hunting the sheep, the wolf